All right, so today we're gonna give Tony's Coffee a shot. Gonna try their Upland roast. The moment of truth. Whoa. That's even better than the last time. Dang. I give that a 9.4 out of 10. Man. This might be better than Jubilee. This is the drink that I want to be drinking every day. Forget what I said last week. I was lying last week. This is the one that actually tastes good. The other one tastes good. It did taste good, but this one's so much better. Yeah, this is the one for sure. Oh my God. Man, forget what I said last week, for real. I don't know if there's another coffee that could top that. I mean, shoot. I could drink this one at midnight, for sure. Call me a crazy drinker. I'll drink this one at midnight. Probably won't be able to sleep, but I mean, you already see it right now. Like you can already see I haven't stopped drinking this coffee. I mean, what can I say? If you drink that to work, if you drink that at work, while at work, you will be the best working employee in your job. I guarantee it. This drink, this will get you there. It'll definitely get you at that level. Anyways, guys, comment, like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. And I'll see y'all next week. Peace. All right, today we're gonna try Tony's Coffee. Oh, shit. Today we're gonna try Upland's Coffee. Upland's Coffee. It's Tony's Coffee. I'm getting my words mixed up. Hey.